I first started trying to smoke meat, I started having a lot of trouble right away. And the thing that was really kicking my butt was temperature control. I was thinking about quitting. I was like, this ain't fun at all. I'm running back and forth up and down these stairs to the grill. I make an adjustment, my temperature spikes up. I make another adjustment, my temperature dips down too low. I'm going to tell you what was causing that because it's a very simple thing. But I'm also just going to spend a couple of minutes telling you how to use your vents to control temperature. All right, so let's get over here to the grill. Any decent grill, any decent charcoal grill that you're thinking about buying needs to have at least 2 vents. Matter of fact, some grills have more than that. I think it just complicates things. You really only need 2. You need one somewhere down by where the charcoal is. Let's get this out of the way. This is my charcoal grate. The charcoal grate is usually at the bottom, somewhere near the bottom of the grill. You need a vent somewhere down there. In this Weber kettle, that little thing that looks like a little propeller opens and closes that vent, right? So here's where the top vent is located on my grill. To adjust it, you just slide it open and close like that. So it's the same principle. Quarter open, somewhere like that, halfway open, all the way open. The more you open the bottom vent, more oxygen is coming in. Now your coals are on fire, at least some of them are. Fire needs oxygen to burn, so the more oxygen we give the fire, the hotter it's gonna get. So the main function of the top vent is to let out smoke and heat and all of that kind of stuff. So we can compare the top vent to the venter hood over the top of your oven, right? So it takes exhaust, it takes fumes and stuff like that out of your kitchen. Even though this is kind of an exhaust, oxygen can get into here too. So it has to be adjusted sometimes. So what I'm getting at here is that you need both of those vents to control temperature in your grill. Now, let's get back to the biggest mistake I made. I told you I made a big mistake when I first started, and the biggest mistake you can make when you first start learning how to control temperature is to start adjusting both of those vents at the same time. Always use only one vent at a time to control temperature. Don't ever make an adjustment on both vents. Only make an adjustment on one. Another thing that's very important to know is that when you make those adjustments, they need to be small adjustments. So when you make a small adjustment, it could take 15, 20, 25 minutes for your grill to react to that adjustment. So let's recap so far. Bottom vent is most responsible for controlling how hot or how cool your fire gets. Fire needs oxygen to burn. So if I open that bottom vent wide open, I'm going to get a lot of oxygen to the fire. My fire is going to heat up. If I take it down a notch, it's going to cool down. So the most important thing is, number 1, only adjust one vent at a time. Number 2, make a small adjustment, very small adjustment. Number 3, wait for your grill to react to that adjustment. That is how you control temp. That's how you dial it in, man.